if you are looking for a way to make money online using just your phone, don't scroll. Yes, in today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 apps that you can make money on it just by doing simple tasks. So if this interests you, is what you have been looking for on this social media space, then sit right back, because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do it and start making money for yourself from the comfort of your home. Hello my wonderful people, my name is Rachel. Welcome to my channel, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online just with your phone and internet connection. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to your girl, and if you're just coming across my video, here we talk about money, and everything is through your phone, and you get paid still on your phone. All you have to have is smartphone and internet connection, and you're good to go. So if that is what you like to see more and more on your phone or on this app, just subscribe to this channel so you can get many more updates from your baby girl. So back to the details of this video. So on this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you these 3 amazing apps that is paying you for doing simple tasks. Yes, when I mean simple tasks, they are not stressful, and you can do them from the comfort of your home. You can also do them if you're in your shops, if you're in your office, any spare time you have, you can do it. And while you are doing your main job, you can still do them. So the number 1 on the list is Chatta. Yes, Chatta is not a live streaming app, it's a chatting app. You chat to earn. People chat you, and when you reply immediately, you earn. Let's say I reply you and like hi, and you reply me back how I said I'm fine, and the person reply you back, where are you from? You say you are from Lagos State, or you are from so you earn immediately you reply to their chat. And the second way of making money on this same Chatter is by calling on audio call or video call. People that chat you can say they are tired of chatting, like they want to call you on the phone. And when you call them, when they call you and you pick up, you talk for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes if you are free. All these calls accumulated to be a coins, a diamond you are going to be withdraw into your local bank accounts, and you can withdraw your money into either PalmPay or OP. So the second one is Tandoo. Tandoo is a live streaming app, and the sweetest thing about this app is that this app pays you for live streaming every 2 hours every blessed day. Just sit pretty, placing your camera in front of you, and say hi to people that come to your live stream, and with all that, you're going to be getting paid $1 every blessed day for doing 2-hour tasks. And if anybody call you while doing the live stream, is an also additional money you are making apart from the ones the app is going to pay you for going live for 2 hours. So calculate it. If you are able to make like maybe 20 calls in that live streaming for 2 hours, calculate it with a $1, automatically you're going to make over $3 before the end of the 2 hours. And the minimum withdrawal on this Tandoo is $10, and you can withdraw your money into your USDT wallet, ePay, and that is the 2 alternative for Nigeria or African countries. Others can use other mode of payments in their own countries, but this app is available in all countries, but you can't find it on Play Store except through link. So the third one is woolive. Woolive is also a live streaming app. It's also similar to this Tandoo, but the condition about woolive is that you have to do a hour task. You can't go and come back to it. Like you go live for 30 minutes and you end the live stream and you come back, they're going to disqualify it. So you have to sit down for straight 1 hour to do the task, but you are going to be doing 3-hour task to meet up for that $8 on the app. And it is a target app. You are going to be a target app. I mean is that you are going to be working, let's say, from on the 1st of August till on the 12th of August. So they give space from that 13, 14, 15, and they start again from 15 to 31st, where they're going to pay another batch. So if that is kind of app you would like to join, that you just sit and do your task, and at the end of the day you withdraw. And the withdrawal method is also USDT. So if you don't have USDT, you can inbox me, join my WhatsApp group. There you will see it on my WhatsApp group in my bio, or my Telegram group, where I can put you through on how to get your own USDT wallet. So that would be all with the three apps that you can make money on from the comfort of your home. So if you watch this video to the end and you grab one or two for yourself, please do well to give me a thumbs up and also comment in the comment section for more updates on this kind of apps. And please do well to share it to your friends and family that also want to make money through August to December for December doing it. So that will be all for now, and I will see you all in my next video. I love you.